So what is going on, you guys? We are here today for the final wash slash prep before we put the race engine in here, obviously. But we just got the motor back a couple days ago, and Dad is currently putting stuff together, so it's pretty much ready to drop in. But today what we're going to do, we're going to get a few spots that we missed cleaning it, and we're going to put a little bit of touch-up paint on that. And I'm going to show you guys the motor today, but we're going to do that, and again, a little bit of paint, and yeah, so this intro is going really long. A little bit. But anyways, that's what we're going to do. We're going to wash it, we're going to do some touch-up paint, and I'm going to show you guys the motor. That's the game plan for today, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the washing is pretty much done. Now we're going to dry this car down. I'm going to get some trim restore on this black decking here. Basically, I'm going to leave the decking for my chassis builder. He's going to put a body on it, but I'm just going to leave the decking because it's in pretty good shape still. Sorry, I didn't mean to make y'all sick. And then we've got to do some sanding down in here and some painting and whatnot, kind of cover up some of those rougher spots. So we're going to get to drying and then sanding and then painting. So now that we've pretty much sanded the top part of the cage, we're going to go ahead and get some paint on it. I'm going to cut a little piece of cardboard to keep the overspray from getting on anything else. After that, we're going to do the front clip. We may not do all of it, but just the parts we won't be able to get to once we put the engine in the car. So we'll get on that. so we got all the paint put on the vehicle. I actually ran out of paint. There's still a few little spots I need to touch up. I am absolutely covered in paint now, but oh well. Next we're going to get the trim restore and touch up this decking real quick, and once we do that, we're done for the day. I do have something I need to go do, so I won't be able to run down and check out the engine, but we are getting ready to put the engine in the race car very soon. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and hop on and get this trim restore stuff done, so that way it looks a little bit better, or the decking looks a little bit better. I don't know if it'll work, but worth a shot. So I've used this trim restore several times for things like this, and it worked. I don't know how well it's going to work with this. It may peel here in the next couple of weeks, but whatever. It looks a lot better now. Cage looks a lot better. Front clip looks a lot better. Got to thank Joey here for putting in some hours on this thing. I was going to run down to the shop and show you guys the motor, but I am absolutely pressed for time. And so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. We should be getting ready to put the motor in the car fairly soon, and by fairly soon I mean within like the next week or so. So be on the lookout for that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.